In this project, Clark Roofing was hired to inspect and repair the hail damage on the buildings of Paul Quinn College, now known as Rapoport Academy, located on Elm Street in Waco, Texas. The roofs of several large buildings, including one with a Dura-Last PVC, were extensively damaged by large hailstones. To prevent leaking, Clark Roofing installed over 170 patches due to the punctures in the damaged membrane until the entire roof could be replaced. Given the active nature of the campus, with hundreds of students moving between buildings throughout the day, Clark Roofing implemented special measures and precautions to control and direct the traffic and ensure student safety. Active campus, student safety, staff safety, traffic safety. The roof system shown here is a standing seam roof system. While it is a long-lasting, durable roof system, it can be damaged by large hail strikes. To remove and replace the metal roof system, the school would have to have been shut down and vacant. The TPO roof system Clark Roofing installed was completed safely during the normal school operations. This is the same roof as the previous video. Here you can see how seamless the Mule-Hide TPO roof system is. Less potential for leaks at seams or laps. A durable, long-lasting 60 mm membrane protects the entire roof system. If damage does occur, it is easy to locate and repair. As you will notice here, all of the bright white spots are where hailstones punctured the Dura-Last PVC roof system. Each one of the spots represents a patch required to stop active leaks. TPO versus metal replacement, no downtime required. 30% more energy efficient. Up to 70% material and labor savings. Notice the smoothness of the new TPO retrofit roof system. No seams or joints to cause future problems or leaks. Everything is heat welded together and forged to provide a solid, durable roof system for decades to come. If you are interested in our TPO retrofit roof system and would like to hear more about this product and its benefits, please contact Clark Roofing at 254-374-4477 today. We will be happy to meet with you for a free, detailed, and accurate roof inspection and go over options with you. 20 and 30-year warranties available. Clark Roofing. Redefining roofing. 254-374-4477. Or visit us online at clarkroofingtx.com.